Hello friends of TELE, welcome to this new episode of What's in the Box. So you might have already heard about our eCap energy and power sensor, but now we actually turned this technology into a harmonics analyzer. So same hardware, but improved software, meaning that our customers can now measure harmonics up to the 20th, get a glimpse into total harmonic distortion, THD, and pretty much make smarter decisions to prevent damage to industrial controls or power transmission equipment. So for that reason, we have created a little goodie box here that comes with a little piece of literature here, as always, but it also includes a few goodies like a secret charger that I would highly recommend you get. Of course, some stickers, Go USA, and some patches on here. Now, but the most important thing is pretty much the eCap energy sensor itself. So if you look at this, it is fully UL listed and also suitable for the European and British markets. So pretty much all over the place. But if you open it here, this is a fully functional unit that you will receive if you let us know where to send it, of course. Those three dials enable you to set the Modbus address. So you don't have to power the unit up and connect it to software to get up and running. All you need is a screwdriver, connect the wires for voltage and current, and off you go. Now the cool feature here is all those values are being collected pretty much live with split core CTs on the current side. So if you have, let's say 600 amps, which is this size current transformer, you'd connect this to the wire you're trying to measure, connect it to the eCap, and you're good to go. Voltage can be connected directly, and that way you pretty much pass on all the valuable data to HMI, SCADA systems, controllers, cloud systems, anything that your heart desires really. And what this does usually, our technology simply clips onto a common DIN rail, so it mounts on the wall or back of your panel very conveniently. And should you need more information on the features, capabilities, of course, we give you a little instruction leaflet on the part that says how to connect it, what to do with it. But as always, our team is more than happy to assist you with any questions you may have. So yeah, brand new eCap feature, now being a harmonics analyzer. So we're all about sensing some great energy here, right? Let our team know if you're interested in one of these bad boys, and send us an email to sales@tele-controls.com, and we're always happy to work on the next exciting project with you. Ta-da!